Mastering homonyms, correct usage in writing. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to a new video in our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're focusing on a fascinating aspect of the English language: homonyms. More specifically, we'll dive into strategies for using the correct homonym in writing. Homonyms can be tricky, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate these language nuances. First, let's clarify what we mean by homonyms. These are words that have the same spelling and the same pronunciation, but different meanings. For example, consider the word bark. It could mean the outer covering of a tree, or the sound a dog makes. The key to using homonyms correctly is to grasp the context. Context is king. Context is crucial when using homonyms. Often, the meaning of a sentence as a whole will tell you which version of a homonym is appropriate. For instance, he took a bow, and he tied a bow. The words surrounding bow will help you identify the correct meaning. Practice reading sentences with homonyms and try to determine the meaning based on the context. Remember, homonyms can belong to different parts of speech. For example, lead could be a verb referring to guiding someone, or it could be a noun referring to a type of metal. Understanding the part of speech in a sentence can also help you identify the correct homonym. It's always important to proofread your writing. Look specifically for homonyms. Have you used the right one? Did you mean to write right, as in correct, or write, as in composing with a pen? Proofreading can catch these easy-to-make mistakes. When in doubt, look it up. A dictionary or thesaurus is an invaluable tool for language learners. If you're unsure about a homonym, look up the definitions and synonyms. This will also help you expand your vocabulary. And that's it for this video on mastering homonyms in writing. Remember, context is king. Understand the part of speech, always proofread, and when in doubt, use a dictionary or thesaurus. We hope you found these strategies helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a whiz at using the right homonym in your writing. Until next time, happy learning!